Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Shein account suspended issues. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open up an internet browser of your choice. So in this case, since I'm on my iPhone, I'm just gonna open up Safari browser and go to google.com. And then I'm just gonna search for Shein customer support like this, and then I'm just gonna click on the third link, this one right here. And when you are on here on this page, you can just contact them and tell them about your issue. So actually let me just close this offer. So yeah, just click account from here, contact them and tell them about your issue specifically, and they will fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours if you don't violate any of their policies. So yeah guys, this is how you fix this issue. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.